Well, hello, it is Mindy, and I'm excited today. I'm excited because I get to unbox something. You know, it's kind of like withdrawal. I haven't been able to unbox anything in a while. I'm having a little withdrawal. Anyhow, I'm super excited because this is from Crystal Canvas Art. Amy. I love Amy. She's so great. And she's like so frustrated right now. She got a shipment in and it was just a small shipment. And she was just like, I don't know how I'm going to roll these out, Mindy. She says, I can't make everybody happy. There's just not enough to go around, but it's all I've got. And what do I do? And so she just did the best she could. She rolled them out like 4 or 5 of each canvas at a time, and she didn't have that many different canvases, like maybe 10. They just flew off her shelves, So every few hours, she'd put another listing out, and then a few hours later, I got one. I got what I wanted. Okay, should I show you I'm not going to show you the package first. There's some question about what this actually is. There's some discrepancies. I'll tell you what I think it is, but then I'll tell you what everybody else has said. Okay, I'm so excited. Now, oh my gosh, it's huge. It's huge. It's so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. All right, here, let's get the drills out first. Let's take that out. Now, Amy does have a large shipment coming. She has over 100, I think she said over 100 different, I can't get the drills out of it. Come on. Seriously. Okay, there we go. Well, it's because they're stuck. That's why. Oh, dang, hang on. What's going on here? Uh-oh, I got an issue. Uh-oh. My plastic is messed up right here. Oh, yeah, my plastic is messed up. And it was stuck to the actual canvas. It has like 2 sheets of plastic on it. Okay, I'll show you what happened. It's not going to be a huge deal, but look. It has 2 pieces of plastic. See this one? This one's gotten folded over, and it's got a little piece of cardboard stuck on it, and a little fuzzy from the box, I think. So the plastic, there, see, no big deal. There's 2 sheets of plastic, because it's a big one, you guys. It's big. Anyhow, she has a huge shipment coming. It has, like, I think she said over 100 different canvases coming, I think, and lots of each one. She's just got to get it here, you know, just got to get it here from China. You know how that's going. And, you know, since it's a big shipment, it's coming, you know, it's coming on the boat, like the slow boat, because it's so huge, and shipping, you know, and all that. So she's just got to get it here, and, you know, people have to be patient. When it's here, ooh, look out, man, we're going to have fun. Anyhow, her toolkit is very unique. I had to ask her about her toolkit, and I've learned about it. You get a regular pen. There's some tweezers and some wax in there. But she has this square boat. And if you look at it, this side says, you can see it, 2.5 millimeter. So that's for smaller drills. And this side is for 2.8 millimeter drills. So typically squares are 2.5, right? So they would go on this side. And the others rounds are 2.8. So it's a dual function drill tray. Yeah, I had to ask that question, and she was more than happy to tell me. Now, when I saw this come out, this was new. I don't think she's ever carried this before. It was new. And I was like, I have to have this. Main reason is I love this image. Another reason is I have it in special drills, or not special drills. I have it in regular drills. I have it in square drills. It's not as big as this. This one's huge. This is a, does it say on here? 45 by 50. Oh, and it's fantastic. It's fantastic. Oh my gosh. And this is full crystal. Okay, look at this drill field. Look at that drill field. It's beautiful. I just finished one of hers, and the drill fields are just beautiful. The rhinestones are beautiful. Look at it. It's so pretty. All right. It has 18 colors. Bam. There it is. Can you see it? Can you see it? Now, what do you think it is? You tell me. What do you think it is? Just look at it for a minute. Okay. Goes. What do you think it is? Now I'll show you the box. Let me show you the picture on the box. Picture is on the outside of this box. All right. Let me show you the picture. Now, when I see that picture, I'm like, that's a butterfly. That's a butterfly. Here's his body. Look, a head and abdomen and a thorax. 3 parts for a body. It's got another little butterfly here. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. These are the antenna, right? It's a butterfly. I saw nothing other than a butterfly. And then somebody told me one day it's an owl. And I was like, what? An owl? Okay. I guess they saw 2 eyes. And that's a beak. And they said it's an owl. I was like, at first I couldn't tell. I couldn't see that at all, that was possibly an owl at all. Maybe it's one of those weird things. It's like an optical illusion kind of thing. You see a butterfly, I see an owl. Is it both? I don't know. All I know is it's beautiful. And I think it's a butterfly. Sometimes butterflies have on their wings those spots that look a little like eyes. But maybe it's just a weird optical illusion kind of thing that's supposed to be a butterfly and an owl. I don't know, but isn't it gorgeous? It's just gorgeous. Very, very sticky canvas. I've never gotten one of hers that has like these 2 pieces of plastic like that. It's big, that's why. Wow. Isn't it pretty? Wait till you see these rhinestones, you guys. And the rhinestones, her rhinestones are gorgeous. They're just beautiful. There'll be a lot of color blocking back here. The background, which I think is going to be all purple. And then this is all purples and blues, pinks. And then there's going to be some black. This is going to be black. Isn't it gorgeous? It's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And like I said, I have it in a square drill, which is smaller than this. And I want to do both of them and just kind of, let's look at the rhinestones because they're beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful rhinestones. I love how they come all bagged up, ready to roll. 18 colors. Oh, I know what I wanted to do before let's actually measure it. See if it is true. Picture 45 by 50. Or what do we got? Let's see. All right, let's see. Right there to the edge. Well, it is 2 millimeters short of 45. You cannot complain about that, right? And 50 is on point. So that is image size. Image. It's big. It's gorgeous. Here, have a rhinestone. There's one right there. Yep, there's a rhinestone right there. Hope that's not a sign of things to come. I don't see any more. Okay. These are in order. I always hate messing them up, but they're easy enough to put back in order. They're easy enough. Let's turn it over so we can actually see the rhinestones. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Let's zoom in. All right. I can put them back in order. Okay. So look at the purple. Look at that. That is the prettiest purple. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. A light purple. This is almost like an amethyst. Amethyst? No. Like my birthstone. These are bluish gray. These have a blue tint to them. Look how pretty they are. See, they're like a smoky blue. Ooh, big bag of these. This is probably the background. Look at that. That's going to be the background. Oh, dang, that's pretty. It is the background. 7, it is. Wowzer. That's all I got. Just wow. 5, that's our black. That's our black. Oh, here's another bag of 7. Oh, yep, that's definitely the background. Look at 8, another very light purple. So pretty. I love this. Oh, and look at that beautiful blue. Look how pretty that is. This is like a cobalt blue. That's almost the same. It looks very similar to that other one. Huh. 10 and 13 look like really close. Light blue, light purple. Another blue. Look at these. These are the teal colors. Oh my gosh, look at those. 15, 16, and 17. They are all different. They're all very similar, but they're all very different yet. Look at them. I got this really close for you, I know. Beautiful. And some more blues. And a purple, another purple. Purpley pink. That one's really pink. Look at those colors. And then this is going to be just like silvery clear. Yeah. Ooh. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I hope you can see them. Can you see them? Can't see them all. Nope. Let's rearrange. I zoomed you in so you could see everything. And gorgeous, 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 gorgeous colors. Look at that. Pinks, purple, blue. It's going to be lovely. Just gorgeous. So, like I said, and just that, well, I got a couple loose drills here. There's a couple blues in the bag. Can't get this one off my counter. And there's a couple blue in the bag here. But I'll check all those bags and make sure they're sealed up really good. Like, see, look at here. These guys right here, they are escaping their bag. This is what happens. So somehow they have gotten up into the lip up here at the top of the bag, and they're just sitting there loose, right? So you kind of got to check those, get those guys back in there. Get in there. There we go. Beautiful though, just beautiful. So be patient, be patient. These are probably the blues that are in the bag, see? Yeah, those are the ones that escaped and fell into the bag because their little zippy thing didn't zip them in very tight. All right, so be patient. She does have a huge shipment coming. It may be, a month or more, but it's coming. And she'll have a whole bunch of stuff. But I'm so happy I got what I wanted. Yeah. And I wasn't all greedy and I didn't order like 2 or 3. I just got one. Just the one. That's what I wanted. So thank you, Amy. And we love you, Amy. And everybody's going to be patient and we understand what's going on. I mean, even this didn't come to me when it was supposed to, just because shipping even in the United States is all weird right now too. So we just have to be patient. But I'm so excited I got it. This just made my day. Made my week. I'm ready to roll. Okay. All right, I'm done being silly. I'm going to let you go now. Not before I let you see the canvas again though. Let's just slide these over. I think I got all my friends secured in their bags now. Nobody's trying to escape out the zipper top. And there it is. Owl, butterfly. It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly with an owl in the middle. It's a butterfly with an owl face. I don't know. That's what I think. Yeah. Yeah. At first I could not see eyes. I didn't, it's just a butterfly. Anyhow, I'm happy to have it. I'm going to have to get started on it. Yeah. And then I'll have to do the other one, the square drill one. See how they compare with each other. So thanks for watching the video, you guys. And enjoying my excitement that I got a canvas and I got what I wanted from Amy. I'm so excited. So, I mean, she does have a few things left on her site, on her website, crystalcanvas.us. But just be patient. And if you haven't joined her Facebook group, she has a Facebook group too. I'll see if I can find it and link it in the bottom, because that's how you know when she's getting stuff in. She'll let you know when stuff's come in. So yeah. All right. I'm gonna let you go now. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't, and if you want to. And I'll see you next time. For now, bye-bye.